In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy Activepieces on Dokploy with a custom domain and SSL. We're going to walk through the full process of making sure your Activepieces instance is accessible through your own domain name and secured with HTTPS. This is a simple setup, but it's important to do each part carefully so everything resolves properly and your SSL certificate is issued without problems. First, make sure Activepieces is already deployed and running through Dokploy on your server. Before you connect a domain, the application itself should be live inside Dokploy and functioning normally. If the app is not running yet, the domain configuration won't work as expected. So take a moment to confirm that your Activepieces service is healthy and available in your Dokploy dashboard. Next, configure your DNS settings from the side of your domain registrar or DNS provider. Sign in to the place where your domain is managed, then create an A record that points your chosen subdomain or domain to the public IP address of your Dokploy server. For example, if you want to use something like automation.yourdomain.com, the A record should direct that hostname to your server's IP. Be careful when entering the record value, since even a small typo can prevent the domain from resolving correctly. After saving the DNS record, remember that DNS changes can take some time to propagate. In some cases, it updates quickly, but it may take longer depending on your provider. Once your DNS is set, go back to the Dokploy interface, open your Activepieces application, then navigate to the Domains tab. This is where you connect the application to the hostname you just configured in DNS. In the domain field, enter the full domain name exactly as you created it, including the subdomain if you're using one. After that, enable HTTPS or SSL in Dokploy. This step is what allows your application to be served securely over HTTPS, which is especially important for login sessions, webhooks, and general browser trust. Once the domain is entered and SSL is enabled, click Save or Deploy to apply the changes. At this point, Dokploy will attempt to attach the domain and provision the SSL certificate. If everything is configured correctly, your Activepieces instance should soon be available securely at your chosen domain. If it doesn't work right away, the most common cause is DNS propagation delay.